Students, today again we will discuss your chapter number 4, climate geography, which is the second part of the video. In last video we discussed the definition of the climate and the factors affecting climate and the type of the climate of India, that is the monsoon type of climate or the subtropical type of climate. In your second part of the video, today we will discuss the different seasons that are experienced by people in India through the different time periods of the year. Okay. In our India, there are the 4 major seasons. Number 1 is the summers, the hot weather season. It's the winters, cold weather season. When you're feeling cold during the winter, which is approaching now. Advancing monsoon or the rainy season, simply you know by. Retreating monsoon or the transition season. Retreating monsoon is that monsoon period which is marked by the retreat of the monsoon or moving back or the withdrawal of the monsoon from India. Okay, when means you can say in simple words, the monsoon comes to an end. Monsoon season comes to an end by the starting of the December. That season is called the retreating monsoon. Let us discuss all these 4 weathers, 4 seasons one by one. First is the summer season. Summer season in India is marked between the 3 months from March to May, and this season is the season when the temperature starts rising up, going high, and the people start feeling the heat of the sun intensely. And this season is marked by the mango showers also by the May, starting of the May. When pre-monsoon showers start occurring in the southern part of India, in Kerala and Karnataka. These showers, pre-monsoon showers, are known by mango showers, which help in the ripening of mangoes in the 2 states of India, Kerala and Karnataka. That's why the showers before, or the little rainfall, the lighter rainfall which is received by Kerala and Karnataka before the monsoon season is known by mango showers. The local showers which are experienced by West Bengal, there they are known as Kal Baisakhi. Kal Baisakhi. Okay. The second season now we will discuss is the winters or cold weather season. Winters in India, they start by November and they last up to February. November and February, 4 months. December and January are the coldest months. During winter, Tamil Nadu receives a little rainfall also, sometimes the heavier rainfalls also, just because of the retreating monsoon. When the monsoon moves back through Tamil Nadu over the Bay of Bengal also, then Tamil Nadu and some other parts of South India receive rainfall, which is the characteristic of this winter season. In winter season, no other part of India, just because of the monsoon, receive the rainfall. Only the Tamil Nadu and some parts of the southern Andhra Pradesh receive the rainfall, just because of the retreating monsoon. Third season is the advancing monsoon or the rainy season. Advancing monsoon season that starts in June, that you have discussed and come to know about the monsoon season in the last video also, that starts from the mid-June and lasts up to mid-September. The monsoon winds are the reason for the monsoon season or the rainy season in India. These monsoon winds originate in the Arabian Sea, and from Arabian Sea, from the southern part of India, they move upward to the western direction. Here you can see in the book also. They originate in the Arabian Sea, then move upward, westward, east, southeast monsoon. They move from originate in the Arabian Sea, move eastward, then westward, and then retreat back. When the monsoon season ends, then they retreat back from the north to west. When they start, when we see the advancing monsoon season, they originate in the south in the Arabian Sea. They move eastward, move up, they move westward, then retreat back to the east direction, and move over the Bay of Bengal, carry moisture and move back to the Arabian Sea, causing rainfall in the Tamil Nadu, state of Tamil Nadu. Okay. In June to September, India receives most of the rainfall, that is called the burst of rainfall. This monsoon season is also affected by the SO. SO is the southern oscillation. Oscillation means a swinging, moving up, moving back, moving up, moving forth, moving back, moving forth, moving back. This southern oscillation means the oscillation that occurs in the Southern Ocean. Southern Ocean is that part of the ocean above the Antarctic, where all the other three oceans, the Indian Ocean, the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean meet and mix. That is called the Southern Ocean. So Southern Ocean's winds or just occurring because of the oscillation, they also affect when we move upward towards the Arabian Sea, the monsoon winds also. Okay. Fourth one, season is retreating. Monsoon or the transition season. Retreating monsoon is moving back of monsoon. When after September the monsoon starts moving back here in this direction, they starts back in the eastward direction and just crossing the Bay of Bengal, crossing the southern part of India again to the Arabian Sea. That is called the withdrawal of the monsoon season or the retreating of the monsoon season. This lasts till December. Okay. By December, the monsoon completely withdraws from India. Means it completely moves out of India. No rainfall occurs afterwards in India just because of monsoon, just due to monsoon. कोई rainfall नहीं होती monsoon की वजह से. Some rainfall that is received during this season or in the winter season in the southern part of India, that is because of the retreating monsoon. Okay, and the island groups of India also receive rainfall during this retreating monsoon season. In the winter season, the northern part of India, the western part of India receives rainfall, little rainfall. That is just because of westerly disturbances. In this winter season, the northern west India received rainfall just because of the westerly disturbance. Westerly disturbance, disturbance which is a type of number one to cyclonic disturbance होती है, and this cyclonic disturbance starts in the Mediterranean Sea. From Mediterranean Sea, the winter trade winds, they carry over or make it move towards India, and this westerly disturbance causes rainfall in the northern western parts of India, which is Punjab, Haryana and some parts of Himachal. Okay, these are the 4 seasons. Now one more thing, the important thing that is to discuss is the distribution of rainfall. Distribution of rainfall in India varies because different parts of India receive different amount of rainfall. Whereas some parts of India receive heavy rainfall during monsoon season, though some parts of India remain dry and they receive a very less rainfall or scant rainfall. We discussed in the first video also the rainfall. The rainfall's amount depends on many other reasons also. One is the altitude also, because in the high altitude areas the rainfall comes down in the form of the snowfall, which doesn't support any growth of the vegetation or the habitation of the human people there in the high altitude areas, because areas are not suitable for living of human beings just because of the extreme temperature, extremely cold temperature, and having no growth of vegetation or the life support system. Okay, the deserted parts of India, also in the Rajasthan, these areas also receive very less rainfall because lack of the moisture has deserted the land into the sandy desert. So that also doesn't support the vegetation, growth of vegetation. Very less people live in deserted area. Okay. Whereas at the same time in the monsoon period, the easterly states and the western coastal areas of India, they receive a very heavy rainfall during monsoon season. Sometimes floods also occur, and this is how the different parts of India receive different amount of rainfall. Okay, the monsoon season here, when we discuss about this advancing monsoon and retreating monsoons, which goes up to 4 to 5 months in the year, that monsoon season is a unifying bond in India. Means the monsoon winds move through the whole India during these 4 5 months. Northern parts also, eastern parts also, western parts also, and southern parts also. This monsoon season is a unifying bond in the climate of India. Thank you.